Okay, so for this problem we want to express 10x plus 9 over 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 3 all squared in partial fractions. So we're going to take our expression here and we're going to split it up into its general form. We can say we've got a over the first bracket, 2x plus 1, plus b over, now because this 2x plus 3 squared is a repeated factor, we can write this as 2x plus 3 for the linear factor, plus c over 2x plus 3 squared to take account of the repeated factor. Once it's in this form then, we can multiply through by this denominator of 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 3 all squared to get 10x plus 9 is equal to a times 2x plus 3 squared plus b times 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 3 plus c times 2x plus 1. And then we need to get rid of some of the terms then. So to get rid of this 2x plus 1 term, we can substitute in x is equal to minus a half. We have 10 times minus a half, which is minus 5, plus 9, which is equal to 4. Now, the 2x plus 1 term here goes to 0, so that term goes to 0, and this term goes to 0 as well. You have 2 times minus a half, which is minus 1, plus 3, which is 2. 2 squared is 4, so you've got 4a is equal to 4, and therefore a is equal to 1. Then we can get rid of this 2x plus 3 term by substituting in x is equal to minus 3 over 2. 10 times minus 3 over 2 is minus 15, plus 9, which is minus 6, is equal to. Now, this a term is going to go to 0, as is the b term, which leaves us with the c term. Minus 3 over 2 times 2 is minus 3, plus 1 is minus 2. You get minus 2c, so therefore c is equal to 3. Now, we can't get rid of any more brackets, but what we can do is equate coefficients. And the easiest one to do, to find a, is to equate the coefficients of x squared. Now, on the left-hand side, there is no x squared term, which means that the coefficient must be 0. On the term here, you would have a 2x times a 2x, which is 4x squared. So we get a 4a term. And on our expression here, again, 2x times 2x, which is a 4x squared. So the coefficient you've got is a 4b. And the c term doesn't generate a coefficient. So we have our a value, which is 1, which we can substitute in. So 0 is equal to 4 plus 4b. Rearranging this slightly says that 4b is equal to minus 4, and b is therefore equal to minus 1. So we have our three values now. So all we simply need to do is substitute them in. Our a value is 1 times 2x plus 1. Our b value is minus 1 over 2x plus 3. And our c value plus 3 over 2x plus 3 all squared. And that is the final form in partial fractions of 10x plus 9 over 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 3 squared.